Here are my top RV living tips and tricks. So, hey fellow adventurers, as someone who's embraced the incredible journey of full-time RV living, I wanted to share some tried and true tips and tricks that have made my nomadic lifestyle a breeze. So buckle up and let's dive in. First, home on wheels. Make your RV feel like home by personalizing the space. Add cozy decor, vibrant curtains, and sentimental trinkets to create a warm and inviting atmosphere wherever you go. 2. Downsizing with a purpose. Okay, prioritize what truly matters and let go of unnecessary belongings. Maximize storage space by investing in clever organization tools and multi-purpose items. Remember, simplicity is key, and you can find so many things on Pinterest and Facebook groups. 3. Wheels on the road. Research and plan your routes in advance to make the most of your travels. Consider scenic byways, national parks, and hidden gems along the way. Embrace spontaneity while also enduring a smooth journey. Don't be upset if something doesn't go as planned. 4. Off-grid adventures. Embrace the freedom of boondocking. Okay? Equip your RV with solar panels, conserve water, and utilize energy-efficient appliances. Unplug from the grid and immerse yourself into the beauty of nature. 5. Community connections. You have to engage with fellow RVers and enjoy online communities to share expert advice, camaraderie, and experiences. Attend meetups and gatherings to forge lifelong friendships with like-minded adventurers. 6. Safety is first. Prioritize your well-being by investing in essential safety equipment like fire extinguishers, carbon monoxide detectors, and first aid kits. Familiarize yourself with RV maintenance and perform regular checks. 7. Embrace minimalism. Living in a small space requires conscious consumption. Practice mindful shopping and opt for experiences over material possessions, and you will be amazed at how freeing it is to live with less. 8. Go with the flow. Adaptability is the name of the game in RV living. Embrace the unexpected, be flexible with plans, and maintain a positive mindset. Some of the best memories are born from unplanned tours. Now remember, full-time RV living is about embracing freedom, connecting with nature, and creating unforgettable experiences. So pack your sense of adventure, hit the road, and let the journey unfold.